Ensuring safety in laser environments is crucial. Laser safety signs play a vital role in preventing accidental exposure to harmful radiation. These signs convey specific information about the laser type and necessary precautions. Look out for the distinctive triangular shape with a black border, a yellow background, and the universal black laser beam symbol. When you see the word danger on a laser beam safety sign, it means serious business. This is the highest level of hazard, reserved for Class 3B and Class 4 lasers that can cause eye or skin injury. Warning signals moderate hazards, often linked to Class 2 and Class 3A lasers. And when you spot caution, it's a lower level of hazard, usually seen with Class 1 and Class 2 lasers. Remember, always pay attention to these signal words to stay safe around lasers.
Remember, lasers are classified into Class 1, 2, 3A, 3B, or 4 based on their power and potential harm. Class 1 is safe, while Class 2 can harm if stared at. Class 3A poses risks if viewed directly. Watch out for Class 3B, as they can cause eye damage. And Class 4? Well, they're serious business, causing severe injuries. So, always check the lasers class before handling. Stay safe out there. Ever wondered where you might encounter a laser beam safety sign? Well, let me enlighten you. Research laboratories, where cutting-edge experiments take place. Medical facilities, where laser surgeries and treatments are performed. Industrial sites, using lasers for precision cutting and welding. Concerts and theaters, dazzling audiences with mesmerizing laser light shows. And educational institutions, equipping labs and classrooms with advanced laser equipment.
Encountering a laser beam safety sign? Here's what you need to know. Wear protective gear like laser safety goggles. Never stare directly at the laser beam. Follow all safety protocols and restrict access to authorized personnel only. Implement warning systems and maintain equipment regularly. Stay safe and keep those lasers in check. Neglecting the laser beam safety sign? Big mistake. Let me break it down for you. Eye injuries? Yep, direct exposure to those laser beams can mess up your vision for good. Skin burns? Ouch! High-power lasers can leave you with some serious thermal burns. And let's not forget fire hazards. Some lasers can set things on fire. Ever wondered how lasers revolutionize industries and medicine? Let's talk about CO2 lasers. These bad boys use a carbon dioxide gas mixture and emit a powerful 10.6 micrometer infrared light. They're the go-to for industrial cutting and welding, thanks to their high power and efficiency. But wait, there's more. In the medical field, they're a game changer for precise surgeries in dermatology and ophthalmology. Plus, they're perfect for engraving and marking on various materials like wood, glass, and plastics. CO2 lasers, making precision and innovation a reality. Ever wondered how those sleek laser pointers, CD players, or even fiber optic communication systems work? Well, let me shed some light on it. Diode lasers, made from semiconductor materials, emit light with wavelengths ranging from violet to infrared. They play a crucial role in telecommunications, enabling data transmission over vast distances with minimal loss. In consumer electronics, they power devices like CD, DVD players, and barcode scanners. And in the medical field, diode lasers are used for dental procedures, hair removal, and even treating certain cancers through photodynamic therapy.
Neodymium-doped yttrium aluminum garnet crystal, or ND lasers, are the powerhouse behind a range of cutting-edge applications. From medical procedures like laser lithotripsy and tattoo removal to industrial machining for cutting and welding metals, these lasers pack a punch with their high peak power and deep penetration capabilities. And let's not forget their role in military applications, where they shine in rangefinders, target designation, and even directed energy weapons. With a wavelength of 1064 nanometers in the infrared spectrum, ND lasers are the unsung heroes of innovation across multiple fields. Fiber lasers, a marvel of modern technology. Picture this: optical fibers infused with rare earth elements like erbium, ytterbium, or thulium. These lasers emit light at varying wavelengths, with ytterbium-doped fibers commonly at 1064 nanometers. What's the buzz? Well, they're a powerhouse in material processing. Think cutting, welding, and marking with precision. But wait, there's more. In telecommunications, they're the unsung heroes of fiber optic communications, boosting signals and zipping data across networks. And guess what? They're even saving lives in the medical world, aiding in procedures like endoscopy and photodynamic therapy. Fiber lasers, small but mighty, making waves in industries far and wide.
Eximer lasers, a fascinating technology utilizing a gas mixture of noble gases and halogens, emit ultraviolet light ranging from 193 to 351 nanometers. In ophthalmology, they revolutionize laser eye surgeries like LASIK, reshaping the cornea with precision to correct vision. These lasers are also vital in microlithography, aiding the semiconductor industry in creating intricate integrated circuits. Moreover, in dermatology, excimer lasers target specific skin cells, offering effective treatments for conditions like psoriasis and vitiligo. The versatility and precision of excimer lasers continue to drive innovation across various fields, making them indispensable in modern medical and technological advancements.
Argon ion lasers, the unsung heroes of light. Fueled by argon gas, they shine in multiple visible wavelengths like 488 nanometers in blue and 514 nanometers in green. In medicine, they work wonders in ophthalmology and dermatology, treating retinal issues and vascular lesions. But wait, there's more. In science, they power fluorescence microscopy, flow cytometry, and DNA sequencing with their stable beams. And let's not forget the fun side: laser light shows and holography, where they dazzle us with mesmerizing visual effects. So, next time you see a burst of light, remember the mighty argon ion laser behind the magic. Ever wondered how those precise measurements are taken, or how barcodes are scanned with such accuracy? It's all thanks to the helium neon laser, a powerful tool in the world of technology. With its helium and neon gas mixture and a wavelength of 632.8 nanometers, this red laser is the go-to for alignment, spectroscopy, and even barcode scanning in retail. So next time you see a laser in action, remember, it's not just a beam of light. It's a precision instrument shaping the world around us.
Ensuring laser safety is no joke. Laser beam safety signs are the unsung heroes in preventing accidents and protecting us from harmful radiation. Remember, clear warnings and instructions are our best friends when it comes to staying safe. So, let's stick to the standards, keep those signs visible, and make sure they're crystal clear. Because when it comes to lasers, safety always comes first.